In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitch webcam overlay in Fotor. We're keeping this simple and beginner-friendly, so you can follow along even if this is your first time designing an overlay. Start by heading to Fotor.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your preferred method and choose the account you want to work from. After you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you'll create. At the top of the dashboard, look for the search bar. Type in Twitch webcam overlay and hit enter. Fotor will open the results in a new tab with a full library of overlay templates designed specifically for streaming. Give the page a moment to load, then take your time browsing. Think about your channel's vibe. Do you prefer clean and minimal, bold and neon, or something themed to your game or category? Look for a template that naturally fits your Twitch brand colors and the overall mood of your stream. Pay attention to the shape of the webcam frame, the thickness of the borders, and whether there's space for your name or short labels if you want them. When you find a template that feels right, click it to open the editor. This is where you make it yours. Start by changing the colors to match your channel palette. Adjust the fonts so text is easy to read at a glance, and keep contrast in mind. Light text on dark backgrounds or vice versa. If the frame feels too thick, reduce the border weight for a cleaner look. If it looks too thin on screen, bump it up. Keep key details away from the very edges so your camera feed won't compete with text. If the design includes icons or accents, swap or remove anything that doesn't serve your layout. As you edit, check the center of the frame and make sure the area where your camera will appear stays clear. Don't place text where your face will sit, and avoid cluttering the corners if you use alerts or chat boxes in your stream. Zoom in to check sharpness and alignment, then zoom out to see how it reads at typical viewing sizes. If you're unsure about colors, stick to 2 or 3 that represent your brand and add a neutral tone to balance them. When you're happy with how everything looks, that's it. Your template is edited and ready. You've gone from browsing to a tailored Twitch webcam overlay that matches your stream's theme, all inside Fotor. Nice work, and enjoy leveling up your stream's visuals.